To help you manage your expenses, Contractor Pro has a materials management section. At the homepage, click the left manual button. Then you can select material management option. Then add a new material on this page. For this demonstration, we will add PVC coupling. Also, add the unit price, which is 90 cents. And for note, this is an optional field, but for demonstration purposes, we will write Schedule 40. Then we will click the Save button. You can also edit your materials by clicking the material name. For this demonstration, we will change the unit price. Lastly, you can search for any inputted materials. For example, we can search coupling. All the materials with the coupling keyword will now show up.